Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Welcome back to the channel, The Achievers Education. My name is Ritesh, and I welcome you all to the Master English Communication and Public Speaking program, a beautiful program and the most comprehensive program. Today, we are here with another self-doubt, which we are going to clear it right away. And I'm really surprised about this self-doubt that people are having, that saying that I can't do public speaking because I do not look good. Okay, I'm really surprised by this one of the particular self-doubt which I have taken it out from my experience and from my mentorship programs. Okay, I am really surprised that even people think like this way. Okay, मैं surprise हो गया हूँ कि लोग ऐसा सोचते भी है कि मैं just because मैं ढंग से दिखता नहीं हूँ, मैं अच्छा नहीं दिखता हूँ, मैं सुंदर नहीं दिखता हूँ, इसलिए मैं स्टेज पे नहीं जा पाऊंगा. How is it even justified? Okay, how is it even justified? How is it possible? There is nobody in this world who is there coming there to look at your looks and judge you on that basis, right? So do not ever think about it even that public speaking is something which is related with good looks. All right. सो आपने ये कभी सोचना ही नहीं है कि पब्लिक स्पीकिंग जो है वो गुड लुक से रिलेटेड है. ओके, सो ये इवन दिस ऑल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ सेल्फ डाउट विच इज देयर इज टोटली बेसलेस. ओके, टोटली बेसलेस. देखो, अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग, देयर इज नो रिलेशन विथ लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल and public speaking. All right, there is no as such major relation. Okay, of course you need to dress well on the stage, no doubt in that, but at the end of the day it's your only words which matters a lot. All right, आप क्या बोलते हो, that is more important on the stage than what kind of personality you look like. Okay, no, don't worry about it. All right, so आपका appearance matter नहीं करता, आपके शब्द matter करते हैं. आप वो स्टेज पे जाके बोलते क्या हो. महात्मा गांधी, what kind of tell me, was he having a muscular look? Tell me, Mahatma Gandhi, was he having a muscular look? No, he was simply going to he used to walk miles and miles only on dhoti, influencing crores of people. I mean, I have not seen an influencer like him, at least. उनके जैसा इन्फ्लुएंसर मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा. All right, so you can understand, it is not about the looks, it is all about your words that you are speaking. Okay, it's all about your words. All right, you also tell me one other important thing, that how many public speakers are there who are really good looking? There are very few. All right, there will be always very few people who are really good looking, and then they are public speakers, right? So it is very less amount of people who are there. So understand this thing, that it doesn't matter, your looks doesn't matter. So do not fear about the fact saying that just because I'm not looking good, I won't be able to go to stage, people will judge me on my looks. No man, really understand. See, when you go for a presentation, people are going to come there to listen, okay, to see your confidence first of all. Okay, आपका confidence देखने के लिए आ रहे हैं. They are coming there to look at your style, the way of speaking. आप किस तरीके से बात करते हो लोगों से, वो देखने के लिए आ रहे हैं. They are coming there to look at your content. क्या मटेरियल, what kind of deliverables are you going to give to them? क्या नया सीखने मिलेगा आपसे? They are there for that. All right. So and above all, your command on your language. They are coming there to hear your accent. Okay, to hear your command on the language. They are there for that. Okay, usually the audience who are coming there, they always come to see all of these things. Okay, and not the looks. Okay, this is not a beauty contest. Understood? This is not a beauty contest where people will come to judge you on your looks. All right, judge you on your figure. No, it is not that. All right, they are there to see. All right, see only how you are presenting yourself. And after telling you all of this thing, if you still have so much doubt on yourself, just go home and ask to your mother that, mummy, how I am looking. कैसा लगता हूँ मम्मी मैं, आप मुझे बताओ. She will tell you the most genuine and the honest answer in the world. She will definitely say that, beta, you are my world. You are my world. You are the prettiest child in the world I've ever seen, ever come across. She will say like that way. Now tell me, can you not trust your mother? If you cannot trust your mother, man, you are not having any right to live also in this planet. आपको जीने का भी अधिकार नहीं. So that's what I'm saying. Okay, if your mother can trust on you, then why the entire world can't trust on you? If she is considering you the most beautiful child, why can't you consider yourself the most prettiest child on this planet? Okay, so understand this thing. Life is a blessing to you all. Do not waste it just because of some small stupid facts which are coming across your way. Did you get this thing? Okay, so get this thing right away there, that that you are not going to be judged because of your looks. Okay, you'll be judged on the basis of what you speak. Understand? So that is what is more important in public speaking. Do not consider yourself, not consider yourself ugly. Okay, do not do that. All right. I have seen people, okay, who are at the age of 70 having wrinkles on their faces, their hands are literally shivering on the stage, alright, yet they are able to influence people like anything. I have seen, ये मेरे साथ में हुआ है, मैंने कई लोगों को देखा है, 70 के ऊपर है वो लोग, yet they are motivational speakers, yet they are strategic speakers, and they are motivating people, they are influencing people, they are carrying away people, they are leading people like anything. So understand my point, okay? See, words are having the power to move the mountains. Understood? Really mind me on this. Okay, mark my words. Mind me on this and mark my words. Words are having the power to move the mountains, and you can do that. Trust me on this fact. Alright, so I hope you have understood this strategy. Do not consider yourself ugly. Do not consider yourself that you are not beautiful. You are the most beautiful person. Just believe in yourself, work hard, and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this video till here. Subscribe to the channel right away and take the maximum value regularly by hitting on the bell icon. And see you all soon. This is Aditya Chandekar signing off. Until we meet again in the next video. See you all. Have a great day.